How to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem on your Android. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels black screen problem on your Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having your internet connection, you need to go with your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, you need to tap on update if you have any updates under your Instagram. After updating, your problem might be. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info, and here you need to go with storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you can go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and open up your Instagram. After that, go with your profile and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and from here you need to search for browsing history. Previously you may have the option of browser settings, but now you don't have that option. But if you find the browser settings or browsing data option, you just need simply go and clear your browsing data of your Instagram. After clearing your data, your problem will be fixed. After doing all of these, you need to go and just restart your device. That's how you can fix your Instagram Reels black screen problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.